Are you looking for a quick and efficient way to import your Outlook MSG files into Google Apps or G Suite? Welcome to WholeClear MSG to G Suite Converter, your one-stop solution for seamless email migration. Key features of MSG to Google Apps Importer. Direct migration. Transfer MSG files directly to your G Suite account. User-friendly interface. Simple and intuitive GUI for easy operation. Bulk import support. Upload and migrate multiple MSG files at once. Preserve metadata. Keeps all original email properties intact during migration. Steps to import MSG files into Google Apps account. Step 1. Launch the WholeClear MSG to G Suite Converter on your system. Step 2. Choose MSG file format in the mail source. Step 3. Select either folder or file mode. Then add MSG files using the Browse button. Step 4. Choose Export to G Suite account. Step 5. Enter your G Suite account login details. Step 6. Select an existing folder in your G Suite account or create a new one to save MSG files. Step 7. Click Upload Now to start the migration process. With WholeClear MSG to G Suite Converter, you can securely move your Outlook MSG files to Google Apps efficiently, accurately, and without any technical hassle. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.